video, we're going to be taking a look at how you can process automatic assemblies within DIA systems. Now, auto assembly feature is an option that you can turn on within the bill of materials for assemblies. You can do this by coming to inventory and products and selecting the product for which you have an assembly bill of materials configured for. If you don't have an assembly bill of materials configured, please refer to our previous videos where we walk through how to set up that bill of materials. You'll want to make sure you tick this option here, and by ticking this option, each time a sales order is authorized, it will trigger an assembly in the background, so you don't have to worry about processing that assembly, and you can print a pick list directly from the sale which instructs you or your warehouse of what raw materials you need to pick. So if you're an e-commerce business and you're receiving sales from online, or you just don't want to deal with the manual process of assemblies, this can be a really good feature and a big time saver. So you'll want to make sure you have this option here selected, auto assembly, and then you'll want to click save. For processing these assemblies, you'll want to go ahead and create a sale. So each time you create a sales order and authorize it, that will trigger the auto assembly, or if you've received a sale from your online sales channel, it will also be triggered. So we can fill out our sales order here. We can enter in our required product that the customer wishes to order. And the first noticeable thing that you can see is that we actually have 194 available and 0 on hand. And because we have the automatic assembly feature turned on, we can see that we can put together 194 of these items, but we have 0 available right now. So we're going to select that product in there. We're going to input our quantity that the customer wishes to order. And then we're going to select authorize and allocate stock. On the next screen, you'll then be able to click auto pick or fill out the product manually. And from here, you'll be able to select print, expanded pick list BOM. You'll then be able to open up that pick list and you'll be able to see the product that the customer has ordered, in addition to all of the raw materials that you need to gather. So it can be really, really useful without having to go to the assembly, print the pick list, come back to the sale. It can all be accessed in one simple process. Once you've picked all the items, you can then authorize the pick, and then we can complete the remaining stages of the sales process by packing this item and also shipping this item. To finish off this process, we can just go and take a look what's happened in the background. So if we go to production, then assemblies, we can see that we have our ice cream tub here, vanilla ice cream 1 litre tub. It was created on today's date, and we can see within the notes column at the end, created as an auto assembly for sales order 147. So hopefully this video has been useful for you to watch, and if you're not sure of any of the things that you've seen today, please refer to some of our other videos where we walk through assembly BOMs as a process. Thank you.